the five-element theory in Chinese medicine. In order to preserve our ecosystem, the five elements in nature depend on each other in order to keep balance. According to Chinese medicine, it is the same within our physiological body. If one system is out of whack, all the other ones will be affected. Let's look at the generating sequence within the five elements in nature. Wood generates fire. We need wood in order to build a fire and stay warm. Fire, or the heat from the sun, can generate good earth, so we grow healthy, abundant vegetables and food for us to eat. Earth generates metal or mineral. If our earth is healthy, then we will have food that is full of minerals, nutrients, potassium, magnesium, and iron. Metal generates water. Sodium, sulfur, magnesium, potassium, all are part of water. And finally, water generates wood. We need a lot of water in order to grow trees and plants. Now let's look at the balance within our system, and if it gets broken, what happens? Months of stress will affect the mind, creating anxiety, irritability, and insomnia. Insomnia will lead to fatigue and craving for sugar and caffeine, creating havoc on our digestive system and leading to weight gain. A high sugar diet does not give the body enough nutrients for a good immune system. And that's when cold, flus, and infections keep reoccurring. So the stress leading to insomnia, craving and overeating, a depleted immune system will age our body much faster, with early onset of diabetes, obesity, high blood pressure, and much more. And being overweight will put pressure on our joints, creating a lot of pain. So in the end, a balanced ecosystem within our body is key to health.
Okay, and the 8 principles, of course, are yin and yang, hot and cold, interior, exterior, excess, and deficiency.
A little bit about Chinese herbal medicine and pre-diabetes. As most of you are probably aware, pre-diabetes means there are problems with blood sugar. Typically, blood sugar is high, which means there's an insulin resistance situation that's been set up physiologically. Someone is not able to actually utilize and absorb their sugar, so their blood sugar remains high. And this is problematic and has been implicated in the full-blown progression of type 2 diabetes, and also increases risk for heart disease and stroke in addition to type 2 diabetes. So I want you to know, it's kind of interesting. The Chinese have used herbal medicine for thousands of years for pre-diabetes issues like high blood sugar and things like that. So it's very common in Southeast Asia or China to Japan, Korea, to utilize herbal medicine. On a research study that was done by the National Center for Complementary and Alternative Medicine. And what the NCCAM did was it looked at 16 clinical trials that were done with about 1,500 participants. And it wanted to see, all those clinical trials were utilizing Chinese herbal medicine for pre-diabetes. What they found is that obviously people could change their pre-diabetes status if they changed their lifestyle. But if people took these Chinese herbal remedies, they were 2 times more effective than lifestyle changes alone. So in other words, herbal medicine, Chinese herbal medicine, with lifestyle changes, 2 times as effective as lifestyle changes alone. And herb formula for pre-diabetes, high blood sugar issue, and type 2 diabetes, Diaslim. Diaslim is 9 herbs, many of which have excellent research individually for lowering blood sugar. But synergistically, these 9 herbs have a profound effect on short-circuiting sugar cravings, lowering blood sugar, and helping with pre-diabetes conditions.